They say that in life, all good things must eventually come to an end. Today, we say farewell to the grandfather of web browsing, Internet Explorer. We'll cover the retirement details of Microsoft's oldest web browser and discuss why you should consider switching to a Chrome-based browser as we sit down and sync up with Rocket IT's weekly technology update. Hello everyone, I'm Chris Swinson, Technology Insider here at Rocket IT, and welcome to Sync Up, your new home for trending technology news. After 27 years of diligent service, Microsoft has officially retired Internet Explorer. When Internet Explorer launched in 1995, it was the first door many people opened to gain access to the web. But as the web evolved and became capable of hosting more complex sites, the foundation that Internet Explorer was built upon couldn't keep up. That's why in 2008, Google's introduction of the Chrome browser was so impactful. Google Chrome was one of the first widely adopted Chromium-based browsers, paving the way for a faster, more secure, and more stable web browsing experience. Seeing the positive impact Chrome had on the general user's experience, Microsoft launched the Edge browser in 2015. And while Edge is actually a lighter and less resource-heavy version of Chrome, Microsoft has struggled to persuade individuals to use its Edge browser. In a recent study from Backlinko, it was found that the Edge browser has only attracted 8% of the market share, whereas Chrome is up to nearly 69%. That said, regardless if you're a Chrome or Edge user, the important thing now is that you're no longer using Internet Explorer. But what if you are still using Internet Explorer? What can you expect in the upcoming days, weeks, and months now that it's going end of life? Microsoft has announced that it will soon be updating Internet Explorer with a prompt to redirect all traffic to the Edge browser. After that, expect Microsoft to completely remove Internet Explorer from all devices with a Windows system update. Fortunately, you can start preparing yourself for the transition now, as Microsoft Edge offers migration tools that can bring over passwords, favorites, and other settings from Internet Explorer. If it's your first time opening Edge, the setup wizard helps you run through the process. Otherwise, all you have to do is open the import function in Microsoft Edge's settings menu. In addition to this migration feature, Edge has another helpful solution for those that have yet to make the leap from Internet Explorer. For those that work with old web apps and sites, you know that it can be difficult to get them working on newer browsers. As a solution, Microsoft created Internet Explorer mode for the Edge browser to support legacy sites. When visiting one of these sites now, Edge will automatically prompt individuals to open the page in Internet Explorer mode. Even better, if you have an IT professional on hand, legacy sites can be automated to open in Internet Explorer mode, making the transition that much easier. Despite the ease of moving to a newer web browser, research from Landsweeper found that 9 million devices from 33,000 organizations had yet to abandon Internet Explorer. As a result, these organizations have needlessly placed a target on their backs for cyber attacks. Because Internet Explorer is no longer supported by Microsoft, it means that security updates will no longer be automatically applied to the browser. In turn, this makes it extremely easy for hackers to find vulnerabilities, exploit them, and ultimately gain access to a company's network. So, if you're one of these companies still using Internet Explorer, it's extremely important to work with an IT provider to ensure all of your PCs are migrated to a new web browser immediately. For more information and help on the process, I encourage you to reach out to Rocket IT using the link in this video's description. And in the meantime, hit that subscribe button and the bell to catch us on next week's episode of Sync Up with Rocket IT.